In this video, I'm going to show you how to fund your Eversend account. You want to make sure that you have downloaded the Eversend application and installed it already. So once you have it installed, just open the account. So my account has some balance because I previously funded it. So in order to fund your newly created and verified Eversend account, just go ahead and click on add money. But before we do that, I'm going to show you some different options here. If you're in Africa and you want to fund your account using mobile money, you can fund your account in ZAF. Otherwise, if you want to fund your account in US dollars, then you can do that as well. So let's see the different options. So to fund an account with mobile money, once you're here on the ZAF tab, just click on add money and you're going to see here the options to add money. Just go ahead and click on mobile money. Now they're going to bring you to this page where you have to choose a number to fund your account with, and my number automatically appears here because I already created my account with this number. So the number you included when creating your account is going to appear here. If not, if you don't want to use this number, then you can just add a new phone number. So I'm just going to go ahead and use my number. Click on the number, and here you're going to have an option to add the amount of money you want to fund your account with. For the sake of this tutorial, let's just add 500. So down here you're going to see the fees associated to the amount you are about to fund your account with. So when you do that, just go ahead and click on continue. So what this is going to do is that it's going to do a withdrawal from your mobile money account, and it's going to ask you to verify. So here we have our verification message, and if you want to fund your account, just go ahead and put your PIN code and your account is going to be successfully funded. If you want to fund your account in US dollars, just go ahead and scroll until you see the US dollar option. Then you click on add money. Here you're going to have an option to fund your account using a credit card or a debit card. So just go ahead and click on it. You add the card you want to fund your account with, you add the card details, and you're just going to follow the same process, and your account is going to be funded. So that's just it to fund your Eversend account. So if you want another video on how to create a new card, a new virtual card, and how to use that card, I dropped a tutorial on that.